Woohoo! Look at that, Stagey is back, boys. Can't wait to see that get done. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Jayzcee here. Today we've got another package, and I'm really excited about this one because this is something that's needed to be fixed on the MX-5 for a really long time. So let's crack them open and see what we've got. As you guys will already know if you've seen any of the other episodes, we put a crack in the rear tail light of the MX-5, which isn't very cool. We had a bit of hot weather and it got so hot that it cracked. So we're going to replace the cracked tail lights with some new tail lights, which have come from a Mazdaspeed. And they're not cracked. So these are going to look amazing. The big difference between these ones and the ones that are already on the MX-5 is this middle circle here. On the stock MX-5 is orange. This one's clear. It gives it that cleaner look, I think. So we're going to put these on the car now. We've got two, obviously we've got the pair. We're going to put them on. So we're going to get rid of all the cracks and hopefully we get that cleaner look as well. So let's get started. That crack's going to be gone soon enough. Yeah, not the best looking tail light right there. Probably going to be going into the trash. Oh yeah, that's got a lot of stuff in it. Look at all the plastic screws holding in this boot liner. And look, we finally got access to the back of the tail light. So we're going to unplug this little white thing here, which is also attached to the bodywork. So we're going to have to get that off. We're going to have to take these screws out as well as this little screw on top, and then the unit will just pop out. So that's what we're going to do now. There we go, so there's our cracked tail light there. There was a bit of a plastic nub on the back just here, which I just broke off because it wasn't coming out. And it's going in the trash anyway because we can't reuse a cracked headlight. Actually screw this all back in, what we're going to do is we're going to hop into the car and we're just going to test out the indicators, the brakes and the reverse lights, and if it's all working then we're going to screw it in, put the boot lining back in, and that'll be it for that. Alright, let's get to it. Don't you love it when things work? Things are great. Alright, let's screw it in and let's get it finished. Now all we've got to do is just pop the boot lining back in and she'll be minto. Alright, that's that. Let's give you guys a look at how they turned out. Alright, so that's that. We installed new tail lights on the MX-5 today, so we're not running cracked tail lights, so it looks way cleaner. Anyway guys, that's going to be it from me today. We've got a new mod next week, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.